Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very classic, and at the same time it's very unique in itself, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and a wide variety of design ideas in a unique way, that is very long neckline embroidery design patterns. Yes friends, you have heard it right. All of these are very beautifully designed, very long neckline embroidery patterns onto which you can design your own very beautiful and very creative and easy bot necklines along with a slit, and you can enhance the beauty to add buttons, pearls with loops and beautiful creative design ideas. Friends, basically the purpose of sharing this video collection is to give you some very beautiful, creative and unique long and heavy new style latest pattern neckline embroidery design patterns, because a long and heavy neckline design pattern does not require any type of all over embroidery, flower spray, any sort of ghera, daman chak border, or any sort of neckline or any sort of sleeve designing ideas, because a heavy embroidery neckline almost covers quarter length of your shirt and gives a very unique, stylish and very beautiful pattern at the same time. So if you really like these design ideas, then kindly do try these patterns and design your very beautiful and stylish Eid outfits, formal kurtis, office wear, everyday, daily wear, soft and lightweight summer kurtis on light and bright and very beautiful and funky colors. At the same time, you can also decorate these by using some dark and very enhanced royal colors like black, bottle green, gray, blue, navy blue, brown, maroon and different shades of red as well. So I hope that my today's video is unique in itself and you have liked my design ideas of today. And if you really like these designs, then don't forget to like my video and try one of these patterns which are your favorite ones and share your experiences with us. With this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new design patterns and new ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Stay blessed. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with some new design ideas.